Online team, can you hear me? I just need few responses from anybody. Okay. Room is very hot actually. Oh, did you try deep learning first example? Is your in your system, is it running? You have to try. Okay. Maybe prediction we need to do. I hope till 7 steps we done, I guess. Yeah. Still we are continuing the same. Let's online team we have some WebEx issues. Voice may break in between. Let me know if you're facing any issue. Let me know actually. This example I wanted to rerun one more time. You will get a clarity. Oh, room is very hot. No power. So AC will not work actually. Sir, air will circulate. Can you open the door at least actually? Please. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah. I just wanted to give a small recap by running the example, though you will get a clarity actually. Online team. So the previously we have run one example from the deep learning. The same example I'm just trying to running so that you will get a clarity. Now you can pull the data set. Now you can just try to. Hold on. Hi sir. I run DL example. Even though I have GPU of 4 GB, it will still run with the CPU. So would you have a configure something actually? No sir. By default. I mean to say, do you have a graphics card actually? You can talk later. We'll see. Even let me do. Yeah. Okay. Maybe even the same example I can show you how to execute in Google Colab. In Google Colab, you can enable GPU. I will show you. In Google Colab, it will run. They will run with the CPU and they will run with what exactly GPU as well actually. Okay. Now, so very quickly, I can open Notepad. These are all steps. Let me run actually. Step number 1, demo1.py. I'm sorry. Step number 2, loading the dataset, data preparation. Meanwhile, let's copy paste. And step number 4, splitting the dataset. Today we are going to see that example. So how we can split the dataset and how it is working. Step number 5, model creation. Step number 5.1 actually. What is the step number 5.1? Create a layers and add a layers to the model. No more explanation because we done this already. Okay. Now, once we done that, can you tell me the next step actually? Model compilation. If you are able to understand deep learning first example, it is awesome, sir. The next step actually, the next step is so called as a training, model training. Please observe here. I'm just trying to giving. I told already you have to do try with 150, 300, and these are all iterations actually. Seriously. Online team, can you hear me? Yeah, what happened, it's like just a few minutes before heavy rain here. Due to that, we have some power cut issues actually. Back to back, we are having some technical issues. We are sorry for this. Okay. Okay. Can I continue? Okay. I got a few responses quickly. Thank you for responding. Let us move on then. Yeah. So we run this one and we got this. Yeah. Good. Team, let's move on. I have a small question for you. Can you tell me what is accuracy? 75. What is error value? 48. What is error value? 48. Let's move on. Now it is so called as a evaluate the model. It is so called as a evaluate. Also called as a model evaluation. Model. Now I wanted to tell you one thing. So printing here doesn't matter at all. Sir, we are don't think like this one is output actually. This one is log output. What output actually? Log. Log system actually. Now what we need to do is, Daniel, I just wanted to capture this accuracy outside and here I wanted to print accuracy. Let me repeat again. Sir, now I just wanted to capture this accuracy. What do you mean by that, Daniel, actually? Right. So take this accuracy. This accuracy I wanted to print at starting and even error I wanted to print. First, let me show you how to print accuracy. If you wanted to print that accuracy, you need to call a method. Method name is called as a evaluate. What is the method name? Evaluate. Sir, evaluate method returns two variables. First one is kind of some, so let me execute actually. Yeah, model evaluation. Model, evaluation actually. Once training is done, then we need to evaluate the model. Evaluate means checking the score. Checking score and performance of the network. How the network performance really you can understand. By using evaluate method, we can evaluate actually. This method returns two values. The first value is the loss. Okay. First value is the loss, error. Second value is what exactly? Accuracy. If you observe very closely, then I need your help actually. Very good. Make a note on this one. Evaluate is a method. We need to provide input comma output actually. Left hand side, do you know in Python we can create a variable. Variable name can be underscore symbol. Variable name can be. This is possible. This is possible. Now this one is loss. This one is accuracy. Now let me just try to print this. Model evaluation. Don't think too much. A comma B. If you want, we can give two variables. Now B should be accuracy. That's it. That's it. No doubt at all. Let me rerun again. We should run, sir. No way. We should run. Deep learning is like that only. Generally in real time, we can do group of prediction. Then you can pass X test value. One time is fine. Right? Yeah, yeah. ఈవినింగ్ నుంచి అంతేనండి Yeah. Did you notice here? So here in print statement, what you are printing accuracy and this B. Look at my screen very clearly. This B means exactly 77, the stable accuracy. 77. Among all these one, the 77 is the stable accuracy. So even 150 iteration is not 77. Otherwise, no. 77, 76.56, right? Maybe it is considering like a 77. This one is called as a, this one is called as a stable accuracy. What accuracy? Stable, right? Now, before doing prediction, so we can do evaluate. Model evaluation is nothing but, you need to call a dot evaluate method. What method? Dot evaluate method. Dot evaluate method. Let's take this one. You can just try to apply here. Model evaluation. Okay. Let's move on. Yeah, good. Team, it's a right time to do the prediction. It's a right time to do what exactly? Prediction actually. So can I help you how to do the prediction? Very, very important. Please focus. Important. Go to the data set. Yeah. I have a small question. I would like, can I say, what is the 6 actually? Number of times pregnant. Number of times pregnant. Pregnancy number. Let me tell you why they are asking, let me know how many times you're pregnant. Instead of asking how many kids you do have actually. Let me tell you, doctors, they will ask, let me know how many times you're pregnant. They should ask how many kids actually. Why they're asking, in my relative, initially 2 babies, they died actually. Later, third baby, fourth baby, they are living. Now total how many times pregnancy? No. First 2 babies, they died, passed away. Sorry for saying. Now 2 babies, they are living actually. Now total how many? That's why they're asking. Let me know. So how many times you pregnant actually? So if they're asking kids, how many times? That's what they will not ask kids actually. Understand the analysis. There is a reason. Correct, sir. Correct actually. What is the 50? Yes, good. Now can I say this is the first person record actually? First person having diabetes, 1. But let me tell you, in deep learning, though the result is 1, what is output you are going to get, we are using what function actually? Sigmoid function. What function? Chaptara? Sigmoid actually. What function you are using? Sigmoid. What is the last layer? Sigmoid actually. Sigmoid function, go back. I'm sure, I hope you already know this discussion. Daniel, the result, it can be either 0 or what exactly? 1. 0 or what exactly? 0 to 0.5. This one is a threshold value 1. Now we are giving the record. What is that record, sir? Chopani? So we are going to take this one. First record actually, we are doing prediction. Then what can you tell me the expected output actually? Model dot predict of, you are going to provide this array. You need to create some array actually. You need to create some array and you have to pass these are all value. And for this predict method, you need to pass array actually. It's okay. I will make it very clear. Can you tell me what is expected output? Output should be 1, but you will get output like, it's not directly 1. You will get greater than 0.5 value. Either you may get a 0.8 or 0.6 or 0.7, something like that you will get actual. It should be greater than threshold value. It should be greater than. If you are getting greater than threshold value, that is a confirmation. The result is the 1. Result is what? Sir. Yeah. So it was defined in such a way that in the backend. Let's do one thing. Now it's a right time. You can just have to come here. Let's do the prediction. Step number 8. Prediction with the model. Prediction actually. Prediction. To do the prediction, what we need to do, create an array. Create what exactly is an array actually? Create an array. Yeah, can you help me? Model dot print of. Model dot predict method you need to pass. And here you need to pass array actually. Sir, in machine learning this is okay. But in deep learning, directly you need to pass array here actually. Then what we need to do? Take this one. and create a array. Create a what exactly? Array actually, right? You can just have to take this one. Simple, simple. Please be focused actually. Yeah, good. This indicates to creating an array. Yeah, this indicates to creating an array actually. Input, we are creating an array actually. Very nice. Then this input data we need to pass here. Let's run this example. Yeah. I'm scaring. Again, the power may go on or what actually. Oh, sure. I can explain one more time. Ayyo. Did you notice in deep learning? At last you have an error. Ayyo, sir. Go back, you need to import number. Import numpy as what exactly? That's what you have to rerun again actually. That's what. We need to run, sir. Thank God model is not running 2 days actually. Come again. Sir, minimum. If you decrease number of iterations actually, it will become underfitting actually. Underfitting, overfitting, we should aware. Model will not train properly, will get a very less score. As per the data set, 150 is minimum. You can 50, 100 also fine. I will accept your point. But network will be, yeah. Wow. 0.8. What is the result, sir? What is the result? What is the mapping value? Mapping value is what exactly? We got here 0.8 actually. Then mapping value is what exactly mean? 1. That's the confirmation. Okay. Somebody is asking, explain about this one. Team in machine learning, predict of like a nested list we have provided actual. Then it will convert. If you are giving the nested list of single value, it will convert into array and you will get a result actually. But deep learning is not like that. Do you want prediction? Give direct as array. That's it. Internally, I don't have a conversions. You have to explicitly provide array. Then that's why we are taking nested list and we are converting that nested list into array. We are providing that input data to the predict function actually. I'm sorry, predict method. I'm sorry, predict method actually. Okay. Online team, did you understand, sir? Okay. Siddiq sir, we'll see, sir. Later we can talk actually. By default, TensorFlow will GPU. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. So steps from 1 to 1 to 8 actually. We done. Important interview question, sir. Verbose. Important interview question. Verbose actual. Verbose. Please understand here. What do you mean by verbose, you know? What do you mean by verbose? Whenever you are running the model, backend, I lost network. Online team, is my voice is clear? Oh, okay, fine then. So whenever you are running the neural network, this is something like a log system, log file. We are getting something like a log system actually. Daniel, I don't want to display this one. I wanted to hide this logs actual. I just wanted to hide. Simple. Go to the fit method. Go to the fit method. Where is the fit method, sir? You can just have to enable one comment and verbose equals to 0. Now let's just have to rerun actually. Rerun. Make a note on this. Look at my screen, everyone. That log systems are hidden because of the verbose. Because of verbose actual. Did you attend my AI agents workshop actually? Okay, fine. In YouTube it is available. There I have highlighted verbose actually. You don't know what iteration in the backend. You have to wait. This is something like machine learning. Oh, at last we are getting what exactly, sir? 0.3. Wrong prediction we are getting. Why? Because you know what is the score actually? On an average, the score will be. What is the score? Sir, this one is the 0.3. This one is what exactly? 0.3. But what is the prediction we're supposed to get actually? Yeah. I got it actually. Fine. So let me confirm one more time. Uh, what is the accuracy level previously? On an average, 76. 76 or 75. Think like that. So the accuracy is the 75. 75 is the true response. Still there is a gap. 25% your model may fail actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Right. So make a note on this one. All right. So please focus on this one actually. What you need to focus, imagine we are not doing prediction actually. We are not doing what exactly prediction. There is one small limitation. So when you're talking about the verbose actually, let me run this one. Let me run this one. Verbose equals to 0. You have given. Verbose equals to 0. You have given. Then neural network is running in the backend actually. Network is running in the backend. Did you notice? We are not printing accuracy. Then evaluate method helps you to print accuracy. What helps you? Evaluate method helps actually. A comma B equals to model dot evaluate X comma Y. Am I right? X comma Y. Then any idea what I need to print actually? Chappan sir. B. Now let us come again. Okay, into 100. Very good, very good. Please, these are all you have to practice. Only time I'm sorry for asking again and again. Are you following? Is my voice is clear? Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for responding. Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. Because of the evaluate method, we got this one actually. Yeah, in Google Colab, this program will run little faster actually. Do you know how to run Google Colab? Okay, let me explain. Let me run this example over Google Colab. Over Google Colab actually. Yeah, in Jupyter also we can run, sir. You can just have to check Google Class. Oh, no, not Google Classroom. I hope you already know how to open Google Colab actually. You can just have to type for Google Colab. Welcome to Collaboratory. Yes. Then click on New. No need to do anything. Paste actually. Let's run this one. This is breaking again. This is the one online. Online team will connect again on Monday. Sorry for inconvenience. Thank you, sir.